Hello everyone, my name is Mamulemo Koni Sejanamane, currently the acting station manager on the Ultimate Radio.
This is Buitelo Rabele, BTLO, the heartbreaker of the airwaves.
My name is Bonang Bonita Mudume.
My name is Stable Steps.
This is your captain, your flight attendant, your stewardess, your host with the most. My name is Kate.
This is the rebel, Reba Philomonapula, your colossal queen.
Hello everyone, this is Yogi.
My name is Queasy, the awesomest thing ever.
What's up, good people? My name is Ted.
My name is Diawani Tiny Tuba.
Friends, my name is Daddy Cole, the fresh prince of the airways.
What's up, people? This is Noxie from the Ultimate Radio.
You can catch me on the Ultimate Breakfast Reloaded.
I do a show called The Midday Beat.
Catch me live on radio between 12 and 3 weekdays on the midday beat.
To catch me on Flight 326 as we serve nothing but first class entertainment.
Catch me live, that is on the UBR.
I do the mid-morning program called Le Rendezvous.
Every weekday 3 to 6 on Flight 326 as we drive you home in grand style.
You catch me live on the U Zone 6 up until 9 p.m.
I do Le Rendezvous from 9 to 12, Thursday to Friday.
I come to you every weekday, Monday to Thursday, on the show called The U Zone.
I do a night pulse show which comes to you Monday to Thursday, 9 o'clock to midnight hour.
The Ultimate Radio, celebrating 15 years of excellence.